Hello students, let's do the exercise questions of the lesson Alice in Wonderland of class 4th English. Question number 1. While listening to the story, what did Alice see? Story सुनते हुए Alice ने क्या देखा? Answer is Alice saw a white rabbit while she was listening to the story. जब वो स्टोरी सुन रही थी तो उसने एक वाइट रैबिट को देखा. Question 2. What was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? उस रैबिट के बारे में क्या अलग बात थी जो एलिस ने देखा? Answer is the rabbit that Alice saw had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He could talk like humans. जो एलिस ने रैबिट देखा था उसकी आइज़ पिंक थी और उसने ब्लू कलर का कोट पहना हुआ था और वो ह्यूमंस की तरह बात भी करता था. क्वेश्चन 3. वेयर डिड द रैबिट गो? रैबिट कहाँ चला गया था? आंसर द रैबिट जंप्ड इनटू अ बिग रैबिट होल एंड वेंट डाउन एंड डाउन. रैबिट एक बड़े रैबिट होल के अंदर चला गया था और नीचे की तरफ जाता गया. क्वेश्चन 4. हाउ डिड एलिस रीच वंडरलैंड? आंसर एलिस रीच्ड वंडरलैंड बाय फॉलोइंग द वाइट रैबिट. एलिस वंडरलैंड कैसे पहुंच गई थी? एलिस रैबिट को फॉलो करते हुए वंडरलैंड तक पहुंची. Question 5. What strange things did Alice see? Alice ने वहाँ पर क्या strange चीज़ें देखी? Answer. Alice saw lovely garden with beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. Next, describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. Answer. The garden that Alice saw was the most beautiful garden she had ever seen. It had beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. Next, tick the correct answer. The rabbit had white eyes, big eyes, or pink eyes. Answer is pink eyes. Who was burning with curiosity? Alice. Alice was burning with curiosity. Who fell down and down and down? The rabbit. Who said, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting"? The rabbit. The garden Alice saw was big, lovely, or small? Answer is lovely. The garden Alice saw was lovely. Next, describe some of the sounds you hear at night. So, रात को आप किस तरह के साउंड सुनते हैं? तो I have written here according to me. Blowing wind and strange sounds of animals. Next, imagine you are Alice and your partner is a rabbit. What would you do? अगर आप एलिस हो और आपका पार्टनर रैबिट हो तो आप क्या करेंगे? So, I would request the rabbit to become my friend and take me to the wonderland. Next, what do you think Alice saw in the garden? Alice saw beds of bright flowers. She saw cool fountains, beautiful birds, and fruit trees. Question 4. How could Alice have got into the garden? Alice could have got into the garden by becoming smaller. Next, find one word from the story that means टू वॉक फास्ट, बहुत तेज चलना. हरिड, अगर हम इनके वन वर्ड देखें तो टू वॉक फास्ट इसका वन वर्ड मीनिंग हरिड. हैप्पी, डिलाइट. एट वंस, क्विकली. टू बी इनक्विजिटिव, क्यूरियस मीन्स उत्सुक होना, कुछ ना कुछ जानने की इच्छा रखना. टू थिंक, वंडर. टू बी सीन नोवेयर, डिसअपियर्ड, कहीं भी दिखाई न देना, गायब हो जाना, डिसअपियर्ड. मूव फास्ट, बहुत तेज चलना, स्लिप स्कैम्पर. Next, give another word for the ones given below with similar meanings and make sentences. Make sentences with each of the opposites of these describing words and make sentences with them. The words are given here. We have to write similar words for these words and make sentences. Then opposite words of these words and sentences. So पहले हम सिमिलर वर्ड्स देखेंगे एंड द वर्ड्स आर लवली, टॉकिंग, लिसनिंग, सी, सेंटर. लेट्स सी लवली. द सेम मीनिंग फॉर दिस वर्ड इज ब्यूटिफुल. लवली, ब्यूटिफुल. एंड द सेंटेंस इज आई हैव अ ब्यूटिफुल puppet. Talking. Talking means chatting. My brother was chatting with his friends. Listening means hearing. I can hear you very well. See, look. The teacher said to the students to look at the blackboard. Center, core. We should be serious to our core problems. These words are similar. Next, lovely and the opposite of lovely is ugly. These are opposite words. Lovely, ugly. He made an ugly remark. Talking, quiet. He is quiet by nature. Listening, speaking. He is speaking English fluently. See, ignore. Don't ignore your elders' advice. Center, side. The beggar was sitting by the side of the road. Next, Alice follows the strange rabbit because she wants to know a number of things. Rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. First part, talk rabbit a how can. So the question is, how can a rabbit talk? How can a rabbit talk? Next, going, he is where. Where he is going. Where is he going? जैसा कि हमने सेंटेंसेस वाले चैप्टर में देखा था कि जब तक आप सेंटेंस अपनी फॉर्म में नहीं होगा प्रॉपर, तब तक उसका मीनिंग जो है प्रॉपर कन्वे नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट, रीड ही कैन टाइम द. कैन ही रीड द टाइम? नेक्स्ट, hurry is in a way. Why he? Answer is, why is he in a hurry? So the lesson is over. Do this work in your notebook and learn these questions. Thank you.